is happening at BC Spirits? Back to cocktail of the week. And now I kind of wanted to think about this one a little bit because I really want to do something like a Godfather. And obviously when you talk about Godfather, of course you're going to talk about Sons of Vancouver Amaretto because no one else in the province makes Amaretto. But I wanted to do like a Boss Godfather. Like a Godfather that if you were playing a video game, it would be the final challenge Godfather. Like one that you cannot, it takes forever to beat, you die a million times and you just keep going back and getting respawned at the very end. So this is my Boss Godfather. So, chilled mixing glass, always. We're gonna do, I do feel a little sacrilegious about doing this. James, please don't text me when you see this video and hate on me. I really wanted to do this. It is the Sons of Vancouver cigarettes on a leather jacket, which is their really crazy rye whiskey base that's fermented with rum yeast. I've done this one on the show before. Literally one of my favorite whiskeys that have come out of this province in the last couple of years, and I've tasted a lot of whiskeys. This is just fantastic. So we're going to do an ounce and a half of this one. So super limited edition. I feel dirty about doing this. I'm sorry, James. So next up, their Amaretto. So the Amaretto they have, the Sons of Vancouver, this one is finished in Westland Peated single malt. So this has got like Amaretto barrel aged, which you didn't think was possible or needed, in peated whiskey malt, peated whiskey barrels. It is just, it's like s'mores. It's like s'mores and marshmallow. And I was like, this is what a Boss Godfather would need. And we're going to do an ounce of that. It's not overly sweet, so it's good. Little ice. Going to do a stir to chill and dilute. Not too much. Now I've gone ahead and carved a nice big chunk of clear ice just for you, James. James and the boys at Sons of Vancouver, just so that you know, understand that I'm really doing a Boss Godfather with this one. Going to do a strain. And a nice big orange swath. Let's not trim it. Let's give it a nice big orange swath. Drop it in. This is the Boss Godfather. You can literally see straight through it because the cube is so clear. And that's the Boss Godfather using the Sons of Vancouver cigarettes on a leather jacket and their crazy peated single malt barrel aged Amaretto, because that's what you do with Amaretto. You barrel aged it in peated single malt barrels from Washington State. There you go, guys. See you next week. Bye.